Q4, guys, things are hotting up and we're starting to see the momentum picking up. In this video, I'm going to show you niches that are doing really well at the moment on Merch by Amazon, Etsy, and print on demand in general, and niches that are low competition, which means that you can still get into them. You still have an opportunity to get into them and find some success. So I'm going to share my screen and show you what I'm talking about, and we do some analysis, some niche research, so you guys can benefit to the fullest, hopefully. So all you need to do is follow with me from start to the end so that you can benefit properly from this video. So what I'm going to do is I'm here in Merch Dominator bestsellers. There are different ways of research, as you guys know, but in this case, I'm going to click on sorting newest, and I'm not going to do anything with advanced options. Sometimes I like to click on it and filter a little bit. Maybe I play around with the BSR range. I do from 1 to 300K so that I can get only the designs that are between that range and that kind of thing. Maybe I can do hide brands and stuff like that, but sometimes when I do newest, I don't find any brands. So yeah, play around with it and see what works best for you. And by the way, if you'd like to get the cheapest price, it is now, guys, 50% off. I'm going to leave you a link down below in the description. Right, so the first niche that I found is this niche right here. It's literally just being picked up by Merch Dominator. And guys, I don't know of any other tool that literally shows you designs that were uploaded yesterday or even on the same day and that are selling right now. So this design right here got uploaded yesterday. Today is the second. Yesterday was the first, obviously, and it is selling. So we go here to Merch by Amazon or Amazon, and we can see that this niche is doing well. Look at that. BSI is not bad, and the niche is very, very small. Only 91 results. I haven't researched this niche to see whether it's copyrighted or not. So obviously do your research before you jump on anything. I'm only showing you opportunities and I'm showing you how to find those opportunities. The rest is completely up to you. You need to do your research. Okay, next niche is, I think, this one right here. 553 BSR. Let's check it out. 209 results. Look at that, guys. BSR is not bad, right? You've got loads of different sub-niches that you can get into here as well. So all you have to do is, think to yourself, what else can I get out of this niche? Study the keywords that these people are using, study the design idea itself, and figure out whether you can add something to it. Play around with it a little bit, be a bit more creative. And that's how these people are doing it, guys. They're no different to you. They're just using their brain. And that's what I want you to do. Use your brain. Look at that. People are selling, guys. This niche is hot and it only has 209 results. Sometimes you need to go to page 3 to see whether there are more results or not. But yeah, do that in your own time. The third niche that I found is, let's see. Yeah, this one right here. Oh, shoot. That's due tomorrow. Let's have a look. 7 results, right? The sales are not really that high. BSI is not really that low, but there's only 7 people selling in this niche, guys. So the potential is absolutely humongous. Again, you just need to get in early. And who knows, this niche might really smash it in the next few days. The next niche, let me just check it out here. Yes, ER Nurse Turkey Gobble Squad. So we've got 318 results, and the niche is absolutely crushing it, guys. Decent BSR. And let me give you guys an idea. So instead of just copying the quote as is, ER Nurse Gobble Squad, you could do different types of nurses. You've got CNA nurse, you've got emergency or, whatever, nurse. Let me show you an example, what I mean. So you can just go to AI niche generator, right? And you can do nurse specialty, for example. Nurse, or similar to, I'm just going to do similar to ER nurse. right? Click on generate. ICU nurse. So we can do ICU nurse, Gobble Squad, trauma nurse, Gobble Squad, OR nurse, pediatric nurse, etc., cardiac nurse, neuro nurse. There's loads and loads of different sub niches that you can use with this quote right here. Again, the sky is the limit, guys. The world is your oyster. You just need to be a bit more creative, and the AI niche generator really helps you out in terms of, you know, funneling that creativity and finding different sub niches that you can use. Next, what else I can find here? Right, this one is a treasure, guys. Most likely to. Now, this most likely to is a scalable phrase. You can add anything to it potentially. Most likely to wear this crappy t-shirt. Most likely to wear to hate a Christmas t-shirt. Could be anything. Most likely to overshop. So I'm going to do research based on that. Hold on, let me show you. Opening product search, and I'm just going to use most likely to. I'm not going to do anything else, right? And I'll see what kind of long tail keywords product search gives me, right? Look at all these long tail keywords, and I can even add A. If I add A, look how many long tail keywords I get. B, right? Look at how many ideas we've got, guys. C, and you get the gist of it, right? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on search, and then I'm going to check out what there is, you know, what sort of ideas we've got here. So we have most likely to hate this matching Christmas shirt. Let me see if I've got it somewhere here. Yeah, there you go. So most likely to hate this, or to hate matching Christmas shirt. 253 results, not many, okay? Look at the BSR, guys. Look at the BSR. Look at the BSR. Again, check out the other t-shirts. Most likely to shake the presents. Most likely to drink with elves, right? All sorts of different long tail keywords that you can use here. And most likely to hate this shirt. Most likely to bring home a stray cat, most likely to nap on Christmas, etc., etc. All these, sub niches are relevant here in this case, guys. All these sub niches are a treasure trove, guys. I'm telling you. And what you could do is you could find these sub niches and do your own version of them, or you could even add your own keywords to that scalable phrase of most likely to. It could be anything, right? But it just has to make sense, okay? You can use past trends and add them to this most likely to. It could be anything, guys. Just figure out what these people are doing and try and get inspiration from them and come up with your own idea. Or if you can't come up with your own idea, just find what other people are doing and get inspiration and use that inspiration, a new design in that inspiration. So basically improve the design. There's lots of ways of doing it, guys. You just need to basically start being creative. Next, what else do we have? There are loads and loads of different options. So we have Friendsgiving, right? One thankful teacher. You could do one thankful nurse, one thankful principal, one thankful first grade teacher. Expand on the design, guys. And that's where the money is. And you can't go wrong with AI niche generator because you just give it a specialty and it will give you multiple more. Give it a niche, give it a topic, and it'll give you many sub niches. So as we're scrolling down, hundreds, thousands of ideas, I'm telling you, and they get updated every single day. Every single day, guys. Obviously, I can't go through everything. It's impossible. But I just wanted to show you how these things are done, especially in the context of, the current times. So what else did I find? Being related to me is the only gift. Okay, look at this niche, guys. 424 results. Look at this. Decent BSR. How did I find this, guys? Let me show you. How did I find this? It wasn't that hard at all. I just typed most likely to Christmas, and then I found it here. And I was like, I haven't seen this one before. I haven't seen this niche before, so why don't I research it independently? And then I found the niche. That's how you do it, guys. Once you find, that surface niche, start digging deeper, and then one thing will lead you to another until you find something that works really well. So you should not stop. Just keep going until you find that t-shirt that will literally change your account around. It will literally take your accounts from 0 to hero. And that's how it works. Consistency. It's a game of numbers, guys. And I keep saying it over and over again. Let's see what else we found. So yeah, it's my cat servant. She acts like a queen. I literally found it here on Merch Dominator, right? There. I think there somewhere. There. Right? 32 results. And I don't think there's any other t-shirt that is similar to this t-shirt. They haven't even used the same quote. So maybe there's only one t-shirt with this quote. It's an empty niche, guys. Let's see what else. Human by chance, alpha by choice. 21 results. BSR, nice BSR, especially this one right here. And it's not even climate pledge friendly. 152K is a decent BSR. Okay? Only 21 results. So when I say empty niches, guys, literally empty niches. And I'm going to leave you guys with a PDF that literally shows you how to do research and all of that stuff. It gives you an idea about how print on demand works, how Merch by Amazon works, and it shows you the process of working. And it's got many resources. It's got 200 plus niches, etc. I compiled it for you so that you guys can, get off the couch and start working. It's completely free. I'm not charging anything for it, even though it should be really charged. It's probably 20 plus pages. So just go to the link down below in the description. You'll be able to put in your email and then download the PDF, again, completely for free. You'll find it somewhere here. So yeah, the ultimate guide to print on demand success, 10K a month formula PDF. Just click on here. You'll come to this page, download it, and off you go. If you guys need a Merch by Amazon account, you can buy it from here. If you need Merch Dominator, you can get it for 50% discount. Again, it's an amazing discount. And if you buy the yearly subscription, you get two months off on top of that as well. You can join Merch Dominator Discord. We've got about 17K members there. You can either check out the English course, the Arabic course. Anyway, all the resources are here. Creative Fabrica, all that stuff that I talk about. If you need coaching and whatnot, I've got all the resources here in the description of my YouTube video. So I really hope that you guys benefited from this session. And if you have any questions, feel free to ask down below in the comments. And yeah, like, subscribe, and all that kind of stuff. And I'll see you in the next video.